Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited about today's video because we are talking about 10 more ways you can make money from home. If you thought the last video was good, wait until you hear these. Some of these might surprise you and they are perfect if you are looking for extra income or maybe even a new career. So let's dive right in. First up, social media management. If you are savvy with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can help businesses grow their online presence. From creating content to managing ads and engaging with followers, companies need someone to keep their social media active and effective. You can start by offering your services to small businesses or influencers who might need help with their accounts. As you build a portfolio, you can charge anywhere from $15 to $100 an hour, depending on your expertise. If you are an animal lover, this one is for you. Apps like Robber and Wag let you offer pet sitting or dog walking services in your neighborhood. It is a great way to make money while spending time with furry friends. You can set your availability, whether you want to watch pets overnight at home or just take dogs out for a walk. It is flexible, you can get to set your own rates. If you are an animal lover, this one is for you. Apps like Robber and Wag let you offer pet sitting or dog walking services in your neighborhood. Did you know companies will pay you to test their websites and apps? That is right, websites like User Testing and Try My UI let you test new websites, apps, and even products. All you need is a computer, a microphone, and sometimes a smartphone. You will get paid to give feedback on user experience. Pretty simple, right? You can make around $10 for a 20-minute test. And the better you get, the more invites you will receive. If you have an extra room, garage, or even a vacation home, you could rent it out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. It is one of the most lucrative ways to make passive income from home. People are always looking for unique stays, and you could earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, depending on where you live and how often you rent. Just make sure you check local regulations before getting started. Are you good with your hands? Whether you are into knitting, woodworking, or making custom jewelry, you can sell your homemade products online. Etsy is a fantastic place to get started. You can create a small business from your living room, selling things like candles, arts, or even personalized gifts. There's a huge market for unique, custom-made items. Ever thought about giving your opinion for cash? Online focus groups are a fun way to make extra money. Companies want to know how customers feel about their products or services, and they are willing to pay for that feedback. You can sign up for sites like Respondent or focusgroup.com and get paid anywhere from $50 to $300 per session, depending on the topic and your expertise. Do you have a skill that others would love to learn? Whether it is photography, cooking, graphic design, or even public speaking, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. The best part, once your course is up, it can generate passive income for months or even years. Start by outlining your course, filming your lessons, and uploading them to one of these platforms. The more value you provide, the more students you will attract. If you have a car that you don't use every day, you can make money by renting it out through apps like Turo or Getaround. It is like Airbnb, but for cars. This is perfect if you work from home and don't need your car daily. Depending on your location, you can earn several $100s a month by renting out your vehicle when you are not using it. If you have a car that you don't use every day, you can make money by renting it out through apps like Turo or Getaround. It is like Airbnb, but for cars. This is perfect if you work from home and don't need your car daily. Depending on your location, you can earn several $100s a month by renting out your vehicle when you are not using it. If you have an eye for detail and love reading, you can make money by proofreading or editing documents. Blog posts and even books. Authors, bloggers, and students all need someone to polish their work before publishing. You can start by offering your services on platforms like Readsay or freelancing sites. Rates for proofreading can vary, but you could make $20 to $50 an hour, depending on your project. Last but not least, one of the simplest ways to make extra money from home is by selling stuff you no longer need, whether it is clothes, electronics, or furniture. Apps like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to list and sell items from your home. Not only will you clear out clutter, but you will make extra cash with every little effort. You might be surprised at how people are willing to pay for things you no longer use. So those are 10 more ways you can make money from home. Whether you are looking for something temporary or long-term hustle, these options offer flexibility and potential for real earnings. I hope one of these ideas sparked your interest. Let me know in the comments which one you are thinking of trying. Or if you have another great way to make money from home, share it with us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more awesome tips, and I will see you in the next video.